Hi, my name is Christiana, and today I'll be showing you my PowerPoint persuasive slides of why you should play softball. The first three slides will be how your slides should not look whenever you're giving a presentation, and the last three will be how they should look and how you can make your slides better. Starting off, these two pictures right here, they could be cropped and could be in a better format. And this text right here is very sloppy, and it's not something that would keep your audience attentive. Also, that transition was very unnecessary. So that's something you should not want on your title slide. Next slide, you would also not want this scrunchie right here and this turtle. It's very unnecessary clip art. And this yellow background with the white font does not go together. So that is something to avoid whenever you are setting up your slides. Like I said, this type of this is what you want to avoid. This type of font is not something that will keep your readers attentive. Neither will this yellow background on top of this graph picture. Next is my 3 good slides. As you can see, the background of this softball picture right here is all kind of panned out. The font is much better and much more mature. The transition going upward was also mature. It's giving enough information, not too much nor too little. Next is my data slide. As you can see, just enough with a good format, and then the transition with some statistics, 3 bullet points, not too much, just enough to keep the reader informed. That is all I have for today. Thank you for listening.